Alright guys, let's see how difficult it is to actually change these out. As you can see here, this Bose has some serious issues. You see the padding broke and it's kind of coming out there. So, and it is the right one, so we might as well just gently, they say, to just remove it by pulling, and it seems to come out quite easily once that's done. And as I said before, then you have this piece here, which is almost like a little skirt thing, and this is going to be the right piece. So, although I don't think there's it matters whether this one is left or right, but for this piece it definitely matters. So, and this looks a little bit different. As you can see here, this is blue, and the original on here is black. So, I'm hoping that it is the original, and when we did
Likey.